Imagine standing in your dream kitchen, the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through the air, and knowing that your success wasn't just luck. It was preparation meeting opportunity. Ina Garten's Be Ready When the Luck Happens is the ultimate guide to seizing life's moments. Are you ready to create your own luck? Welcome to today's video, where we dive into Ina Garten's inspiring book, Be Ready When the Luck Happens. Known as the Barefoot Contessa, Ina has charmed millions with her recipes. But this book goes beyond food. It's about life, creativity, and being prepared for when opportunities knock. Stick around, and you'll discover her secrets to turning everyday moments into extraordinary successes. Ina Garten isn't just a celebrated chef and author. She's a beacon of reinvention. From her early career in nuclear energy to running a small food store that became a culinary empire, Ina's journey embodies the essence of being ready when luck happens. This book shares her philosophy, blending her professional experiences with personal anecdotes that teach us how to embrace preparation, intuition, and creativity. Ina believes that luck often disguises itself as hard work. She writes, "You can't wait for opportunity to knock. You need to be ready before the doorbell even rings." Whether it's mastering a recipe or managing a business, Ina emphasizes the importance of honing your craft daily. Ina's approach to life mirrors her cooking philosophy. Simple yet creative. She shares, "Start with the basics, then let your intuition guide you." This mantra applies to more than just food. It's about tackling challenges with curiosity and courage. Ina highlights the significance of relationships. She says, "The best things in life happen when you invite others to your table." Whether it's sharing a meal or an idea, collaboration often brings unexpected opportunities. Ina's writing is peppered with wisdom. Here are some gems. Success is like a soufflé. It rises when you combine the right ingredients at the right time. Don't wait for perfection. Start with what you have and refine along the way. Preparation isn't boring. It's where the magic begins. These words remind us that preparation, combined with a pinch of boldness, creates the recipe for success. One of Ina's most inspiring stories is about how she transitioned from her job in government to purchasing a small food store. She describes the moment she made the leap as terrifying but exhilarating. Without a formal culinary background, she trusted her instincts, prepared meticulously, and turned a passion project into a household name. It's a testament to how readiness can transform uncertainty into opportunity. What struck me most about this book is its practicality. Ina doesn't promise overnight success. She champions the small, consistent steps that lead to big breakthroughs. I also loved how her stories feel personal, almost like a friend guiding you over coffee. If there's one thing to take away, it's this. Success is a combination of preparation, passion, and a willingness to leap when the moment arrives. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's one way you're preparing for your next big opportunity? Let's discuss and inspire each other. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Ina Garten's Be Ready When the Luck Happens. Whether you're a foodie, a dreamer, or someone chasing their big break, this book is a reminder to stay ready, stay creative, and savor every moment. Until next time, happy reading and happy living.